Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our
Waalaikumsalam.
webinar. Hope you guys are having a great day this morning. Thank you so much for showing up to our webinar. Today, I'm your host, Ngaban Chandra Budiman, or you can call me Mr. Andre. I'm accompanied by my team's moderator, Mr. Abang Rifkan, and presenter, Ms. Sofa Aulia. And today's webinar is about child-friendly schools, mainly on the topic of bullying. Now, before we start, I want to give honors and a warm welcome to our guest teacher, Miss Titi Rahmawati, MTech GR, and our instructor, Miss Theodora Sabrina, MPD GR, and all our participants who have taken time out their day to join us today. Now, keep in mind there are rules in our webinar that are advised for you to follow. One, please mute your mic so there's no unnecessary background noises. Two, please turn on your camera or webcam if you're not having any issues. And three, please pay attention to our webinar and presentation. And four, we advise you to use the background provided by us. And during the Q&A section, if you have any questions, either raise your hand and unmute your mic or type out your questions in the chat box. And also, don't forget to fill out the attendance form sent in the chat box. Okay, now for further explanation, I'm going to give my spot to my fellow moderator, Mr. Abang Ligan. The time is yours, please.
Thank you for Mr. Andre for allowing me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Amarif Khan and I'll be moderator for all of you. So, before we start the presentation, let me introduce our presenters. Wait, uh, Andre, Mr. Andre, can you allow me my request, please?
I already allowed it.
Oh. Yes, this is our presenter. Her name is Sofa Aulia. She is 16 years old. She is our presenter now, and she was from SMP Umul Qura Al Islami. We've known Miss Sofa Aulia, and time is yours, Miss Sofa Aulia. Miss Sofa, hello, time is yours, Miss
Okay,
Sofa.
thank you for Mr. Abang. Uh, I I apologize and offense for not using a background. Yeah, that kind of. This time, I will explain our material, namely child-friendly schools. Waiting.
Miss Sofa Aulia, if you can share screen. Abang, can you help share screen the presentation?
Okay, thank you for having me again. Uh, sorry, sorry for technical mistake. I I'll wait for the PowerPoint. Wait, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Sorry for the mistake. Yeah. Ma- Wait a minute. Hello, me again, Mr. Andre.
Is there a problem?
Sharing screen. Nah.
Okay,
Okay, you can
Charles in the
continue.
school protects against bullying. Next, Mr. Abang. Sorry. Next.
Uh, you have to enable editing and enable content to watch the video. Sorry for the quietness. We're having some problems. Um, Mr. Abang, you should zoom out and press enable content to make the video run.
I'm trying it. Wait.
Sorry, audience. We're having a lot of technical issues.
I've tried Astaghfirullahaladzim. Uh,
Sorry for the technical
we
issues.
can continue by the way.
They were gonna play a video, but it isn't playing. So we're gonna continue with our subject. Please, Miss Sofa Alia.
Okay, thank you. What is bullying? Bullying is a behavior that is carried out, out in groups or individually. Bullying can affect the victim's mental health, for example, trauma. The impact of bullying can be devastating, cause emotional, mental, and even physical damage to the victim. This leads to low self-esteem, destroyed mental health, and even suicide. Next, tips of bullying. Verbal, taunting, insults, threats, gossip. And two, physical, hitting, kicking, pushing, damaging property. And three, social, excluding, spreading rumors, ruining someone's reputation. And the last, cyber, through social media, text message, or emails. Next. We do to create a child-friendly environment and prevent bullying? Rule of students, stand up against bullying and support each other. 1. Speak up. Report any bullying behavior to a teacher or trusted adult or guardian. 2. Support each other. Support friends who are victims of bullying. Remind they're not alone. And the last, reject bullying. Don't participate in bullying or be a bystander. Make it clear that bullying is not okay. Next. Role of schools and teachers. Creating a safe space for students. 1. Anti-bullying police. Establish clear rules against bullying and harsh consequences for bullying. 3. Quick intervention. Design a reporting and response system that is fast, confidential. And the last, ongoing education. Hold events, workshops, and awareness programs for students, parents, and staff. Next. And the last, role of parents. Detection, support, collaboration. 1. Early detection. Pay attention to change in your child's behavior that may be signs of being a victim or a bully themselves. 2. Provide support. Be a good listener. Assure your child that they are not alone and that they are loved and valued. And the last, collaborate with the school. Maintain active communication with teacher and school for unified solutions. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Whoa, what a great presentation. And now we're
Okay,
going.
okay, I'll return to the moderator, Mr. Abang.
Woo, what a great presentation. Now we're going to Q&A section. There's any questions? Yeah, Miss Angel,
I
you
have a question.
can. Okay.
What are the benefits of child-friendly schools?
Okay, thank you, Miss Angel. The benefit of child-friendly schools are creating a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable learning environment for students, increasing learning motivation, and recording negative behavior such as bullying. Thank you, Miss
Okay,
Angel.
for Miss Gina, I'm allowing you. Miss Gina, what do you want to ask?
So my question is, what is child-friendly schools? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Gina. Child-friendly schools, schools that strive to guarantee and fulfill children's right in every aspect of life, as well as protect children from violence and discrimination.
And Miss Carissa, what is your question? Can you unmute your mic first? I can't hear you. I
Okay,
can't
sorry,
hear.
sorry, sorry. Thank you so much for letting me ask a question. So my question is, if you ever encounter a bullying in front of you, what would you do?
Um, wait,
Well, I'll handle it. Wait a minute. What is the question? Can you repeat it again?
one minute.
Okay, so if you ever encounter or see a bullying, someone bullying another person in front of you, what would you do?
Okay, thank you, Miss Carissa. I report to teacher or trusted adult.
Okay,
Miss,
Chong Wicked, Mr. Chong.
Okay.
What is your
Your presentation. Okay. Your presentation of the school is self-friendly, right? I want to ask you more, your group in your opinion. I want to ask, what do you think is the biggest mistake of the school is handling bullying? In handling bullying. In your
Okay.
opinion, what do you think is the biggest mistake of the school in handling bullying? In your opinion?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you for the questions.
waiting. Wait, wait. Okay, Mr. Jong, the school handles bullying very well, and I don't think there are problems.
Can you repeat?
The schools handle bullying very well, and I don't think there are problems.
No, I asked about the biggest mistake. I asked about biggest mistake school in handling bullying.
The biggest mistakes of handling bullying is I've ever heard that the biggest mistakes usually the schools the school
Yeah.
oh usually the school
What?
wait. Oh yeah, usually the schools is ignoring the students. So if someone's report the teacher or any staff will consider it as a joke. So yeah, that's the
Oh
biggest mistake
yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I've
Okay.
heard
Thank you.
that.
Thank you.
Is it
Enough.
enough?
Enough.
Thank you, Mr. Jong, and thank you, Mr. Abang.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but we should hurry up a little because we have around 8 minutes left of the meeting.
Okay, I think there's no question again. Thank you for the question and the answer, and also we can take the conclusion now. We can conclude that child-friendly schools are an urgent need to create a safe and harmonious learning environments. Everyone must be involved to prevent violence and bullying in order to protect students' character and achievement. That's really important for us now and our future. And I'll tell you all, don't forget to fill up the attendance audience. So thank you very much, and time is yours, Mr. Andre.
Wow. Thank you so much for the interaction. Well, okay. Now that we are nearing the end of our webinar, thank you so much for cooperating with us. Remember to fill out the attendance list in the chat box. Again, this webinar wouldn't be possible without my awesome team and the guidance of our instructor, Ms. Pio. And remember, fighting bullying is not the job of one person. It takes students who care, teachers who act, and parents that support. And together, we can create a child-friendly school and a safe space where every student feels safe. That's all from our group today. Thank you so much for showing up for our webinar. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam